Slama Amugon, or peace be with you. Shuvuha Lamshiha Maran. Children who care for their father and mother sacrificially until their last breath, after having been raised by them with sacrifice, are the true children. It is the duty, right, and blessing of children. Welcome to Mars Livadera, where sacrificial care is embraced as a duty, right, and blessing. Mars Livadera code 686. Shuvuha Lamshiha Maran. Slama Amugon.